Electroplating. It is common practice to coat articles made of cheap metals such as iron or steel with a thin layer of less reactive metal. A steel object, for example a spoon, is connected to the negative terminal of current source. The positive terminal is connected to the bar of the metal, for example pure silver. Thus the spoon acts as the cathode in the electrolysis, while the bar of the metal acts the anode. The electrolyte is a solution of salt that contains the ion of the anode metal, for example silver nitrate. As soon as electric currents start flowing through the solution, electrons begin to escape from the silver anode. This results in the formation of positively charged ions which separate from the anode and pass into the solution. There they migrate towards the cathode, attracted by its negative charge. When they reach the cathode, they accept electrons from it and change into silver atoms which deposits onto the cathode in the form of thin metallic layer. The thickness of the layer depends on the conditions under which the electrolysis is conducted. This process is known as electroplating.